Are you looking to find out how to make money from Swagbucks? Well, you came to the right video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what is Swagbucks and how it works and how to get started. And the best part in this video is that this is easy, which means this will be a step-by-step guide for you to get started. And this is worldwide, and you don't need to have any money to get started with, or you don't need to pay anything to get started with. So this is 100% free, and you don't need to have any special skills as well to get started with this method online. And if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus opportunity to make big money online just by using your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And let's get started right now. So the first question is, what is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is basically a platform where you're going to come to do numerous tasks online, such as like some of these right here, pay online surveys or online videos. So this means you're going to watch videos, and then you also have like coupons and cashback shopping on this platform. And how to get started on Swagbucks is you simply go right here and you can log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or you can sign up with your email address and enter a password and get started from there. Now once you create your account in Swagbucks, this is what your account should look like. You're going to have where it says answer surveys and earn. Then you're going to have like trending now, shop and earn. Then you have future ways to earn. Then you got like discovery, special offers and earn, and then so much more on this platform. So to simply get started, what you would do is you would check you either click answer, shop, discovery, rewards, or more. Now there's 6 ways I want to show you, from the lowest paying all the way to the highest paying, to be able to make money. So the first way we're going to look at from the lowest paying to the highest paying of making money with Swagbucks is surveys. So to do this, what we want to do is we want to go right here to answer, and it's going to pop up surveys we can take. Now once you go to surveys, you're going to have a long list of surveys you can basically do, from all the way from like 5, 10, 15, 20, even 30 minutes, and they all pay very, very well. Now once you do surveys, the longer the survey, the more money you can be able to make with surveys on swagbucks.com. So make sure you take that tip in mind for doing surveys. So for doing surveys, what we want to do is you want to choose a survey, maybe like this one for 10 minutes. Then once you click start survey, you're going to have a long list of things you're going to have to do. You're going to enter like your date of birth, your name, your gender, and so much more, all the information for the survey. Then once you qualify for the survey, then you're going to be able to participate in that survey. Then you're going to be able to cash out your earning for doing surveys online with swagbucks.com. So the next way we're going to focus on, from lowest paying to highest paying, is a way doing offers. Now what you want to do to find offers on Swagbucks is you want to go right here to answer again, and then you want to go down until you see Peanut Lab surveys. Even though it says surveys, you're not going to be doing surveys on this particular method. What you would do is scroll down till you see feature offers, and you get Swagbucks by engaging with different brands and advertisers online. So there's 5 different categories you can particularly focus on, which is no cost, information submit, and then you got purchase, app install, and then you got also download. Now the lowest paying ones are going to be the ones that's going to be like no cost, information, and app install. So the 2 I want you to focus on the most are these right here, purchase and download. Because if we click purchase, you're going to be able to make up to almost 1,000 Swagbucks into your account. So and as you see right here, you can make up to 919 Swagbucks for a dog food plan, or you can earn up to 991 Swagbucks for active skincare and see for yourselves clear skin again. So those are the 2 I want you to focus on that's particularly making the most amount of money on this platform. And to simply get started, you simply click one of these offers to select from, and then it's going to tell you all the details, basically what you have to do and requirements, and then you'll take the offer and simply get started. So the next way we're going to focus on to make money with Swagbucks is watch videos. Now in order to watch video category, you need to go right here to more, and you want to go right here to watch, and this is where you're going to watch the most popular content on this platform as of today, February the 24th. So some of the stuff you might watch here is maybe like click to play require, or daily quick start, or quick break, new things to check out, or so much more on this platform. And whatever one you're going to select from, you simply select that. Maybe you want to check out daily quick start, like 1 minute routine start here, you click that. Are you enjoying this video so far? If so, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to show you more value packed content like this in the nearby future. And make sure to comment down below where country you come from, so I can help you make more money online in your area. And let's get back into the video. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right here where you simply click, explore, and earn. So step number 1 is to get started is you view the daily quick start discovery content button. And then step number 2 is that you're going to view the content and open a new tab. The step number 3 is that you're gonna come back to this page and click the continue discover button, keep going. The step number 4 is that you're gonna rate the content and help them create the best for you. And then step number 5 is that you're gonna have to view this 2-step page, and you will earn 1 Swagbuck into your account. Now this is a bonus thing you need to take in mind as well. You need to allow pop-ups block to pop up on your video, so because you won't be able to watch videos if you don't have this allow on this platform, whatever reason, on Swagbucks. So make sure you have allow pop-up block on your Swagbucks account available for you, so you can watch videos and start earning money with swagbucks.com. So the next method of earning we're going to focus on is play games. So in order to play games, what you want to do is you want to go right here to more again, and then you want to go right here to play. And this is where you can participate in popular games, cash games, and so much more on this platform. So you see right here, you can earn like four Swagbucks per $1 for doing like Angry Birds, maybe like Play Pinno, or like Trial Pursuit, and so much more on this platform. So to get started, you select any game you select from. So once you're on it, they'll tell you more information about what you need to know about it. So you see right here, you can play the game for free, and you'll please allow 5 business days or more to allow the rewards to come into your account. And you'll click right here and earn 4 Swagbucks for per $1. And you can simply get started playing the game. So this is a bonus category I want to give you where you can make the most amount of money for playing games. So this is a bonus category called mobile apps, where you can make up like 4,000 Swagbucks, 5,000, or even 10,000 Swagbucks into your account. And then what you would do from here, you scroll down to the bottom screen until you see mobile games. And you see right here, you can play Gin Rummy for 2,500 Swagbucks, or like complete Foothills 3 and earn 4,000 Swagbucks, or you can play the Grand Mafia for 10,000 Swagbucks in your account. And all you gotta do is simply like install the app on your phone and simply play the game from there, and you earn your Swagbucks from 5 to 10 business days from doing this method online. So the next method of earning that's on the list from number 6 to number 1 is a way called shop. So on this platform, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here to shop right here, and then you see right here, you got hundreds of different categories you can select from. You got like 14 birthday sale, shop home, magic receipt, prescription, travel, grocery coupons, dine deals, and buy gift cards. For this method, you simply go to recommend for you, where you can simply shop from your local like Walmart, Best Buy, or the Home Depot, or maybe online retailers such as like eBay or Amazon, and you can get cash back. So you simply select which one you want to get cash back from. And then from here, what you would do from here is you simply go right here to shop now, and you'll get like 5% of your next Home Depot order from email sign up, or 5% cash back of another email sign up right here. Or you can see the like daily deals and sales and so much more on this platform. You can simply claim your deal right here and simply click that offer to get your cash back from the Home Depot. So if you want to get the most from cash back, I want you to focus on this category right here, which is called Magic Receipt. Magic Receipt, you can make at least like 1,000 Swagbucks, 2,000, or even 5,000 Swagbucks for shopping online. So what Magic Receipts is that you're gonna go to your local grocery shop, and you're gonna shop for different items on here, and you're gonna cash back from there, or in store, or in person. So you see right here, you can go to this one right here for Garner Eat Blue Tortilla Chip for 150 Swagbucks. You can go and. So this is the moment you have been waiting for, the highest paying method for Swagbucks. So the highest paying method for Swagbucks you can do right now is referral people. Now to simply get started with referral and earn it, what you're going to do is you want to go right here to more, and then you want to go right here to referral and earn. And they're going to tell you can earn up to 300 Swagbucks bonus, and a plus an additional 10% lifetime earnings. So what the lifetime earnings means is that you can get affiliate commissions, 10% of what your referrals get for a lifetime. So what this means, this is passive income, guys. So this is why I'm giving you this method to make the most amount of money with Swagbucks. So to get started, what you would do is you want to go right here to get your Swagbucks link right here. That's going to be unique for you, and you're simply going to copy it. Now from here, they're going to tell you that you can refer your friends by email, but I don't want to give you that method, because if you do that simple method, you're going to make 1 commission of your 1 friends and family, but that's it. Now I'm going to give you a bonus method, a traffic method. You can get traffic automatically over and over again, 24/7 on autopilot. How cool is that, right? So to do this, what you want to do is you want to go to a platform called Facebook, and then from here you want to type in search bar right here, make money online. Then you want to scroll down until you see right here groups, and you're going to participate in the groups that has hundreds of members in them, such as like 1,021k members, 2,024k members, and then you also have another group in the USA that's 122k members online. So you want to join these groups and promote your affiliate link the right way. And I'm gonna show you how to do the right way to be able to make money, not just by spamming people, say, hey, check out this, do this, and that, right? I don't want to do that for you, because you most likely get banned by simply spamming your link to everyone on Facebook. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go right here to write something. And then from here, what we can do is type in, are you interested in making some extra cash from home or your laptop? And then we can type in, if so, go here for more details, right? So what we're doing is basically inviting people in our post, and we're attracting them to our post. So if they're interested, they're going to come to us and say, hey, I am interested. I want to go to your link and see what you're talking about. Then once they click that link and they see the page for Swagbucks, they're going to most likely join the page, and they're going to get invited from your affiliate link, and you're going to make money from swagbucks.com. So once you're done with this post, you have written it, you want to go right here to publish it of the post, and then you're going to get traffic from hundreds of people in this group. And this group has over 141k members that's active here to be able to make money. Now, since you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus way how you can make $891 per day from the comfort of your own home and from your laptop. Now, this way right here is going to allow you to escape your 9 to 5, allow you to be your own boss, and allow you to live life on your own terms, so you can do whatever you want to or whenever you want to on your own terms. So make sure to click the link in my description. It will be the first link there to help you make money online doing a simple secret method online. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure to check out these two videos on screen, because once you check out these two videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.